Today we're covering a new AI trading bot called Autosnipe.ai, and this trading bot has a few features who sets it apart from the competition. It's got the trader lens, the AI sniper, as well as their copy trading feature. Now if you enjoy the content, smash a like and subscribe down below, and if you want to try out Autosnipe, you can get 10% less fees on their platform when signing up with my link down below. Also helps support me and the channel. But anyway, this is what the platform itself looks like. So when you go to Autosnipe, you'll get trading tokens similar to a lot of other trading platforms. You have instant buys, you can hide scams, hide potential rugs, set your own filters obviously, and if we click on to any of the tokens, this is what it looks like. Fairly similar to a lot of other trading bots. You have the security audits, you have the socials, you link to Dex Screener, Bird Eye, Pump Fund, etc. You have the chart, you can buy and sell, put limit orders, etc. on the right, and then you have all of the transactions down here. You also have meme vision, where you have all of the new Pump Fund and Moonshot tokens. Then you have the ones that are close to graduating over to Radium, and the tokens that have already graduated. Here as well, you can obviously also set your own detailed filters to only see tokens that you actually want to trade. And if you click on the settings in the top right, you can also change the slippage as well as the custom quick buy amount. So let me just show you an example of what it looks like if I actually buy this token. Buy 0.1 Solana, buy initiated, and buy successful. And if we now head over to my holdings, you can see that it shows up right here along with all the other tokens that you have previously held, but I'm gonna hide that for now. But let's get into the more interesting things that actually sets Autosnipe apart from other trading bots. Let's take a look at this trader lens. This basically allows you to analyze and audit different wallets from different traders in detail so that you can see exactly how profitable they are. For example, if I copy paste this address, I click analyze, it'll take a few seconds for the bot to actually analyze the wallet. Give it a few seconds and I assume this will be ready. There you go, took 8 seconds. View analysis, and now you can see in the past 7 days this wallet has a total P&L of minus $20,000, so not a very profitable wallet. In the last week you can see his top performers as well as his top underperformers. You can see that he's had 8 losses of over 50%, 10 losses of between 0 and 50%. He's had 5 tokens gain less than 200%, and then he's had 1 token gain over 500%. You can see how many buys, how many sells, how much he has invested, his realized gains, unrealized gains, net profit, fees paid, etc. So this just allows you to get so much insight into every specific wallet that you want to analyze. And as you can see, these are the 3 wallets I have analyzed so far. You can click view analysis. So in the past week, this wallet has actually been very profitable, made over 100% gain and over $137,000 with a 90% win rate, which is huge. He's had 8 tokens with over 500% gains. So this is a wallet that I would probably like to copy. And if I actually find a wallet I would like to copy, just click on activate copy trading, and you can decide yourself how you actually want to set it up. But you can choose to buy for a specific amount or buy in percent of the actual trader. So if he buys for $1,000, I can put 10% and I will copy him for $100. But I'm going to do buy exact, and I'm going to do 0.1 Solana. Let's put a 1 Solana upper limit for what I actually allow this bot to copy trade for the specific wallet. You can allow Radium and Pump Fund, you can put a stop loss, and one of my favorite things is that you can put so many take profits. So right now the way I have it set up is sell 20% on my position at 50% profit, sell 10% more at 200%, 10% more at 400%, 10% at 800%, but you can obviously choose to set this up exactly how you want to yourself. Once that is done, just activate the copy trading, and there you go, you are now copying this wallet. But then they also have the AI Sniper. AI Sniper at hyperspeed. Activate AI Snipers to earn automatically while you sleep. So you can create your own sniper or just choose one of the already existing ones. For example, this one who snipes the top 24-hour trending tokens. So if you want to try out any of these snipers, it basically works in a similar way as the copy trading feature I just told you about. So you need to put a total amount of SOL to invest, buy amount per order, let's say 0.1, the stop loss trigger, let's say that's at 50% actually. Expiry, never. Priority fees, we can keep that at AI, and then you can also set your own take profit strategy. So let's, for this one, do 20% at 50% profit. Let's do 30% more at 100% and do the last 50% at 250% gain. Then you just need to activate it and then you're pretty much good to go. Now do note that both copy trading and an AI sniper like this does not guarantee you actually make money. You should definitely try it out for yourself with smaller amounts before you decide to put larger amounts into it. Personally, I'm not that big into copy trading and sniping. I prefer just trading manually. So I don't have a long history to vouch for these specific tools, but if you do use them in the right way, they can be super profitable and just a good way to find new upcoming tokens before you would find them yourself. So as I said, if you want to try out any of these features for yourself, you can sign up with my link down below and get 10% less fees on their platform. If there's any other bots or specific features or anything you would like me to make a video on next, do let me know down below in the comment section. If you enjoyed this content, smash a like and subscribe to the channel down below. With that said, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day and I'll see you guys later. Peace.